Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are in Lake Anne. This community is being built by Tri Pointe Homes. Let's see what the starting price of $999,000 gets you here. All right, you guys, so starting your tour off here on the first level, your office space with a powder room. Come back this way and take a look into your covered patio. We're gonna come back into the foyer area. Of course, this home is beautifully decorated. This way is where your two-car garage will be located. Coat closet would be here. Utility closet there. And welcome to the main living area. This is a very beautifully decorated and styled townhome. So my favorite thing in this room has to be the light fixtures. This chandelier is so beautiful. I love that this space is still so open and inviting. On this side, you have your beautiful linear gas fireplace, and they have these large stock tiles. Coming into the middle of the home, as you walk across your beautiful 7-inch wide LVP floors, here's your dining space, which is light filled with the windows. Your kitchen is absolutely a showstopper in this house. You have this waterfall edge island, which has great cabinetry. All the other cabinetry is white, and I'm a huge fan how the lights are underneath the cabinets here in this space. It's just such a unique touch. You also have these quartz countertops with your KitchenAid stainless steel appliances, microwave, KitchenAid, and your microwave wall oven. Pantry space here. And a nice little deck. What I appreciate the most about the layout though, is that the powder room is separate from everything. All right, welcome to the upper level where you have 3 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Here's your primary bedroom. So light filled, flooded with light. Once again, I'm a big fan of the chandelier they picked here. The furnishing is done well. You have the same LVP floors on this level as you do on your main level. And your walk-in closet has the custom shelves for the model, of course. So this is something you have to add or do after. Here is your primary separate water closet with a nice window to let in the natural sunlight, your double vanity sinks, and your shower has these mixed tiles. So on the back wall there you have that stack tile, which is like a green or gray, and the white square tiles on this side, and the stone floors. Here's bedroom number 2. Has a walk-in closet. I'll say a step-in closet. Bedroom number 3, which they have staged as like a creative studio. Also has a nice step-in closet. Right this way is the second full bathroom on this level. Showers tiled all the way to the ceiling. Here's your linen closet. And here is your washer and dryer. All right, let's go upstairs and check out the optional 4th level. All right, welcome to your optional 4th level, which they have staged as like a secondary family room. So it's a great place to just come and lounge. This could be used for any type of situation. So we'll call this the flex space. Coming back this way, I do appreciate that they did put a bathroom on this level. Not only is it a bathroom, it's a full bathroom. So this could also make a great guest lounge. And would not be complete without a rooftop terrace. All right, guys, let's go chat downstairs. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for coming to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, hit that subscribe button. If you're a returner, please hit that like, share, and a comment about your favorite space in this home. If you're looking to purchase or sell in the DMV area, remember, my name is Christian Givens. I'm your favorite DMV realtor. Grace and peace.